Hello and welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we are going to be taking a look at a brand new 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid SE all-wheel drive, finished in Cavalry Blue. Starting off at the front here, we've got our LED headlights, block heater here down below, we've got our 18-inch black alloy wheels, the Sport Tune suspension in there, we've got blind spot detection in both side view mirrors, our all-wheel drive badging down there on both sides. Coming along to the back, we get a silver valance of the rear bumper, a RAV4 badging there, our backup camera, and our SE Hybrid EV badging there, and our dual exit exhaust. As for under the hood of this RAV4, we get a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine producing 219 horsepower and 163 feet-pound of torque, delivered by an electronically controlled, continuously variable transmission and all-wheel drive. On the inside of this RAV4, we've got plenty of storage in our door pockets here, the little divider, all of our window controls, child locks, and mirror controls there. Got a little RAV4 embossment in our speakers. Got our heated steering wheel, trunk hatch, and our auto beam headlights, as well as a little storage shelf there. We've got our all-weather mats for those harsh Albertan winters. We've got this cozy cloth seating with the blue stitching and the gray accenting there on the backrest and bottom. Powered seat adjustments for the driver. Got a push-button start here. This little RAV4 animation there on the digital gauges. Got all of our audio controls on this side and driving assists on this side. We've got this infotainment screen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with a backup camera. All of our cabin air controls here, as well as our traction control and heated seats for both of the front occupants. And the passenger in the front also gets a storage shelf there. Got a 12-volt 120-watt outlet and a USB charging port. All of our different drive selection modes, as well as our e-brake there. And 2 USB-C charging ports in the center console. We've also got our sunroof up top here. And then all of our cabin lighting controls, sunshade controls, and our SOS button there. Coming into the back, we've got vents for the rear occupants, as well as 2 more USB-C charging ports. Fold down cup holders in between the rear seats. And into the trunk, as I said before, we've got a powered trunk. This person did opt in for the cargo liner and rear seat protectors that come at an additional charge, but the vehicle does come with the summertime mats that you saw there, as well as the cargo shade and another 12-volt outlet there. Hit the button for our power lift gate here. And that has been the 2025 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid SE all-wheel drive. And as always, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.